Hello everyone, good morning. Afternoon. Hope you have a wonderful day. It's Friday, March 18th, 2022. It's around 11 am and the temperature is 28 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across our neighborhood at Bo Galage Street in Yangon, Myanmar. Let's walk. It's a beautiful neighborhood here in Yangon. As you can see, there are lots of colonial era buildings in this neighborhood. On the right side, it's a mini mall named GMP Mall.
5,000.
Sorry, how much this one?
5,000.
5,000 here.
5,000.
This is Nipa
Where
palm
is
tea.
this?
Palm tea seed. Where it is grown? In Myanmar?
Myanmar.
Which part?
Now Oklap or now to go.
Okay. Okay, very nice. How many gram?
People base.
How many gram?
100.
Oh, 100 gram. It's good for health, right? Okay, thank you. I will check.
Thank you.
Nice gentle breeze blowing around. It's a lovely weather condition now. Man is working. On the left side, the white color building is Yangoon Women's Christian Association building. It was established in 1921. It's a Yangoon Heritage List site. That is the flag of Myanmar. On the right side, it's a Buddhist monastery. There are lots of colonial era buildings in this neighborhood. It's a peaceful atmosphere now. On the right side, it's a bar named Brooklyn Bar. As you can see, this is a bar. On the left side, it's a mini mart named Indian Bazaar. Various kinds of products are available here. Let's go inside this mini mart. As you can see on the right side, these are some colonial era buildings. It's a very old structured building. People are living here for a long time. Vehicles are parked beside the street. People are sitting together, chit-chatting and eating their food. That red color building is the Secretariat Building. It is a British colonial era building. right side there are some restaurants. On the right side it's a 24-hour mart named Happy Hour. All kinds of daily necessary stuffs are available here. Let's go inside the mini mart. Hello Minglaba. No electricity? Oh,
What?
no electricity.
No, just tea.
Power? No power.
No power. Có bài nữa.
These are some cheese. Not. Some beverages. Fruit juice and energy drink. This is an old structure, colonial era building. This is the stairs of the building. Let's go inside and see the atmosphere. As you can see, the window is very old structure. People are inserting fuel in the generator to run the generator. On the right side it's a colonial era building. Now it is using as a mini mart. This is a fruit stall where you can get various kinds of fruits: apple, orange, grapes, strawberry, etc. How much these grapes? These grapes, how much?
1 kilo 6,000.
1 kilo 6,000. Orange, how much this orange? Yes, orange.
One piece 1,000.
One piece 1,000. And apple? Apple?
Apple 1,400. 1,200. 200.
The right side is a street food stall. Various kinds of rice cakes are available here. Hello Minglaba.
Minglaba.
How much this rice cake?
How much? 3 piece 1,000.
3 piece 1,000.
Okay.
Okay. It's prepared with bean and salt, right?
Anima.
Coriander and bean and tomato.
With chili.
With chili. Same price, 300. This is the mini mall beside the neighborhood. This is GMP mall. There are some cosmetic stores on both sides of this passage. People are coming and buying their daily necessary stuffs here. There are lots of garments and accessories available here. As you can see on the right side, these are some t-shirts. They are giving some discount. Buy one 10%, one 15% and 20% off. These are some t-shirts. Also there are some leather products. and shoes. These are some shoes and sandals. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.